In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Google Sheets so it fits neatly without overflowing. We all know how frustrating it can be when text spills over into adjacent cells, making your spreadsheet look untidy and difficult to read. But don't worry, because today we'll fix that. First, we'll start by logging into our Google account. So go ahead and open your favorite web browser. You'll need to make sure you're logged in to access Google Sheets. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid icon there. That's the Google Apps icon. Click on it and a menu will pop up with a variety of Google services. Here, look for the Sheets icon and click on it. Now you're in Google Sheets. To create a new sheet, simply click on the plus blank option. This will open up a new fresh spreadsheet for you to work with. It's like having a blank canvas ready for you to fill in with your data and notes. Next, let's type a long sentence into one of the cells in your new spreadsheet. This could be something like, "This is a long sentence to demonstrate text wrapping in Google Sheets." Go ahead and type it out without pressing enter. You'll notice that it spills over into the adjacent cell, which doesn't look very neat, does it? To solve this, let's make use of Google Sheets' text wrapping feature. Direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Format. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover over Wrapping, and you'll see three options drop down to the right: Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. Choose Wrap. This action will ensure that all text fits within the cell's borders, making everything nice and tidy. While wrapping text makes everything fit within the cell, sometimes the height of the row might not automatically adjust to show all the wrapped text. Not to worry, you can fix this easily. To adjust the row height, hover your cursor over the bottom edge of the row number on the left. When your cursor changes to a double-headed arrow, click and drag to resize the row to fit all of the text. This makes sure everything is visible, and it also keeps your spreadsheet looking well organized and professional. And there you have it. All your text is visible without overflowing, and your spreadsheet looks neat and tidy. With this knowledge, you can easily format any spreadsheet to ensure your data stays organized and easy to read. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.